Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and go to device unlock and tap on face and fingerprint unlock. Choose fingerprint. And before you will be able to set the fingerprint, you need to set a regular screen lock like the pattern, PIN or password. Of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. If not, just tap on next, choose the password type. I'll pick the pattern. You have to remember that. I mean the pattern, for example, the screen lock you will set, and tap on next. So let me set the pattern. And here we've got the information about the fingerprints recognition, that here in this device it is ultrasonic. So just tap on Add Fingerprint, and here we've got the instructions. So this is the fingerprint sensor. We have to put our finger on it and move it slowly as instructed. So let me put my finger on it, and now we have to move it. So do not do not put up your fingerprint and do not tap on it, just move it around. So this is how it works here, and tap on done. So this is the fingerprint section. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. Fingerprint animation, so if you like to personalize things, just tap on the option and it will be applied, and we can decide whether we want to show the fingerprint icon on the screen. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got the fingerprint sensor. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.